thanks for joining our Wagemaster tutorials. Today we will going through how to create a casual employee. Let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster here. So I'm going to click on employee, new employee wizard. So this will give you the summary of what are the fields that we need to enter the information for to create this employee setup. So click on next. The first thing we're gonna go through with the personal information. As you can see, these 4 fields like with the dots next to it, these are the fields that you must fill in, otherwise you won't be able to proceed to next screen. So let's quickly fill this information. I'm going to go through with some test data. And the date of birth. Gender. Right, click on next. Now the employee number, I already got 3 employees in the file, so that's why the program automatically assigned the employee number to 4 for this employee. Next one is address and contact details. So the idea is just try to fill as much as you can information for when you're setting up this employee, especially with the when you're creating a working holiday maker or seasonal employee when they come from the overseas. Birth, state, and the country, phone number, and email address. So I'm not going to fill this one, but yeah, just make sure you go through all this information. And the department. So if you do have a multiple department in your payroll or farm setup, you can assign it to the relevant department. In my case, I've got 2 departments. So this employee is going to be working the default one, which is WA for my scenario. So go next. Now the employment. So this is everything about his pay rate and when he's going to start job and things. So date commence. Going to select as Monday. Base pay rate. Once I click on the drop down, I can see all the current pay rates in here. I can see select relevant pay rate if it's there. If not, I just need to go back and create the pay rate first and proceed with the employee wizard. Sorry, not the part-time. So the casual rate 1 and the award going to be a casual award. If you do have a multiple awards, you're going to see all the awards in here. If you do have only like a fewer awards, you can select the relevant from there. And the category going to be casual and the pay period going to be weekly. So this, because it's a casual employee, it's not going to be like a salaried or standard base. I can go into next. Now the payments. So what's their bank details and things. So it's going to be the NZ and the account name. I'm just put some test data. All right, so the next one is taxation. So when you're hiring an employee, usually they will give you the tax declaration form. So based on that tax declaration form, you can select the correct tax table, tax file number. So most of the time, the employee will claim tax-free threshold if they work only one job. So it will be 02 with general exemption. And the tax file number, if you do have the tax file number when you're creating an employee wizard, that's fine, you can enter in. Otherwise, if the employee waiting for the tax file number or you waiting for the employee to provide the tax file number, you can put all the ones. So, and if you click on tab here, it will give you the green tick. So the all ones means, so 9 ones means just you let the ATO know you're waiting for a tax file number to provide. So this is like a temporary data. Next, the super fund. If you do have a super fund created in here, you can select it. But for example, if the super fund not on the list, you can add in the wizard as well. So for example, let's say if I just put test super and hit enter, program will give you the prompt to say this test super not in the super table, you want to add it in. So you click on add and simply you can fill these employee super fund details and click on close and the member number and click on next. All right, so this will give you the final breakdown. So it will say the confirmation, employee name, employee number, what's the award, what's the pay rate. So this is going to be like a snapshot of the information that you have entered. You can quickly review the data that you have entered just to make sure it's correct. If not, you can go back and update the fields. And once you want to save it, you click on finish. Then if I click on my employee icons here, I can see the new employee. So the green one usually with the casual, that's how the Wagemaster categorize the 3 employees, like the full-time, part-time and casual employees type with the different color coding. But yeah, green always be casual. Alrighty, thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consultancy and training session with one of our team, all linked in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.